we are required to solve 8297 times 4253 minus 8297 times 3253. So when you try to multiply these numbers as they are, and then you multiply the other set here, and then you try to subtract the first answer here with the second answer here, it will take you a very long time, and you never know, you might do a mistake in multiplying one of the sets, either this or this. So the best thing to do is to try to find the common number on both parts. So on this first part, we see 8297 is common, and also 8297 is common here and here. So we can factor out 8297. So 8297, we are going to factor it out by using brackets. So here it is going to remain. When we take this one out of the brackets, then this is going to remain. This one will remain 4253 will remain. Then take away again 8297 is on this second part. So when we take it out, 3253 will remain in the brackets. So 3253 will remain there inside. So after we have done like that, then it is going to be 8297. Here there is multiplication here. Then we multiply by, we take away 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So when multiplication with 1000 is not a difficult task. It is a matter of writing 8297, and then we add our 3 zeros here on this number. So after adding our 3 zeros, then we have the answer for our question. As you can see, when you by using factoring out the common number on both parts, then it is easy for you to multiply this sum. I hope you have understood. God bless you so much.